Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss on any of my weekly videos. So today we're going to be reading The Flood and the Ark, the story of the Prophet NUH. We're reading chapter 7. God's choice, nor to guide his people. Only God knows who is able to carry his guidance to the people. People can't decide for themselves. They do not know whose soul is strong and truthful enough to carry his message. Only God knows this, and so he chose Noah from among his people. Noah was a patient, gentle man with a clear head and a mighty heart, and always truthful. He was from among the common people and not one of the rich. But God gave him wisdom and earthly. He told Noah what would happen to his people if they did not change their ways. Warn your people before a painful punishment comes to them. Noah stood up among his people and told them, I am a faithful messenger to you. He told them they must stop praying to idols. He explained how foolish it was experiencing bits of stone to listen to their prayers. He told them to pray to God and trust in Him. He told them to give thanks to God and to walk humbly and softly on the earth, and to be good to one another. The people mocked, since when have you become a messenger of God? We can guess what you are after. You want to be a leader and get power for yourself and become rich away with you. Noah was patient for them. Well, he said, I am here only to warn you, and I am here to bring you good news. Serve God and God alone. I fear for you the punishment of a terrible day. He said to them, in exchange for this, I am not asking you for your money. My wage will come from God and only for God. The people did not want to listen. Those who were better off had soft, fat stomachs, but their hearts were hard and empty. They did not want to share what they had. They wanted even more. They did not want to care properly for the needy or the orphans who lived near them, but remained poor and hungry. They preferred to go on passing them by. They did not want to care for the animals that worked for them in their lands, or for the land that provided them with so much. They just wanted to get out of it. as much as they could, as fast as they could. Is not the way it has been among them for so long. So they carried on with their hard head full of worries and fear about the things of this world. They carried on praying to their idols. They were afraid to stop in case when things changed, they lost their riches. Among the poor too, most of the people did not want to listen to the messenger of NUH brought. Their stomachs were thin and empty, but their hearts were nearly as hard as those of the well-off. They did not dream of a better world where people were like brothers and sisters to one another. They did not dream of a world where people looked after the earth and the animals of the earth so well that even after hundreds of years, the earth would be a fine place to live in. No, what they dreamed about was being like the rich people were now. They dreamed of having many horses and big houses and servants to do all their work for them. The end. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.